Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, please click on like and subscribe. Take the time to drop a comment down below. This video is going to be a really short video and most people probably don't want to watch this, but this is more for our online customers like Etsy. This is how we decide our A and B scrap boxes. As you can see, we have little waste in our shop. We try not to waste anything we don't have to. That little box in the corner there was all that gets basically burned or thrown out that we can't use for anything else. So what we do is when we make our whatever we're making that day, at the end of the day or at the end of the week, we'll take all of our pieces that are odd cuts and odd shapes and try to square them up into nice squares, triangles, rectangles, whatever we can get out of them. And the pieces that are unusable, those go into the burn bin. And again, we try to keep that to a very minimal. Now, there's a lot of good projects that can be made out of these pieces. Just because they're in an A box, B box doesn't mean they're bad. They just mean that they're smaller than I want to use for the projects that I make. I'm not a very patient person to deal with little itty bitty pieces. So pretty much anything goes in an A, B box that I could use if I were more of a patient person, that I'm not. The B box gets anything with any type of small minor damage, but the piece is still mostly good, or it hasn't been sanded all the way. It might have some rough saw cuts or something on it. Most of the pieces are square, triangle, rectangle, oval that go in the B box. As you can see, I've actually got a C box, which are the ones that I go back and second guess myself on and think I can use for something else. So pretty much the A box is pretty much flawless, sanded, square, rectangle pieces of wood. The B box is almost the same thing, except for it may be in an odd shape. It may need recut, or it may have some markings on it, pencil marks, etc. Hope that helps explain everything. Again, A, near perfect. B, not so near perfect, but still usable.